Mimeo Industrial Limited is developing shadow robot technology for the meat processing industry under the AMPC program of development work on remote operations shadow robots. This shadow robot technology will enable operational staff to perform dangerous or arduous tasks remotely, effectively removing them from dangerous locations where any lapse in concentration could mean harm to themselves or those working around them. Not only that, but by utilizing robotic arms to lift and manipulate carcasses and primals, the well-being of operational staff is improved since they are placed under less physical demands and can avoid things like strain injuries. We have developed a shadow robot prototype and have targeted the application of this to bandsaw operations. Data from WorkSafe Victoria has shown that more than 50% of meat industry injuries arise from cutting or cut-related activities, and so targeting our shadow robot at bandsaw operations is one way of reducing that injury figure. Our shadow robot system uses vision tracking to track a remote object manipulated by the operator at a remote workstation. The robot arm is commanded in real time to follow an equivalent path to the remote object, meaning the robot shadows the motion of the operator, and the bandsaw cuts perform remotely as a result. Since we are performing the cuts with a robot, we're able to incorporate additional safety and performance features. Our system will prevent the meat from contact with the blade if the meat is not approaching in the correct direction, for example. As a bonus, our system can ensure that the meat travels straight through the blade, reducing sideways forces, which can extend the life of the blade. The system can assist the operator to make more precise cuts, which could increase yield and add value to the meat cut. The robot and the bandsaw are fully caged off, so there's no danger of people getting too close when the system is operational. Emergency stops are present at the operator's workstation, and the cage has an integrated emergency stop when the door is open. Our system has an operator-informed mode where the operator can interact with a touchscreen monitor to effectively draw cut lines on a piece of meat. They then hit the go button and the robot will take over and automatically perform the desired cuts that were drawn by the operator. While the cuts are occurring, the operator will be free to perform another task or to move on to indicating the desired cuts on the next piece of meat. This system can be easily retrofitted to existing bandsaw setups. Ongoing work is developing the shadow robot to be fully 3D capable, which opens up a lot of opportunities for improving the safety and well-being of staff and other applications on the factory floor. The advancement of this shadow robot technology hits at the heart of health and safety issues, be they cutting, lifting, repetitive motions, or even moving staff out of cold or unpleasant environments. It's a new approach to managing health and safety risk, and cutting is the first example in the development of the technology.